dami ng isda. Lapit kayo. Okay. Lapit, mga isda.
Becca.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
You hear that? You hear the sound?
Like that?
I want to You can ask si Becca to hold you. You go because si Becca can hold you. Na? Si Becca, can you hold me? And then, can I touch the fish now? That's so many fish. You do one? Mas mababa kasi dyan dito.
They chomp, chomp, chomp. They want to eat my finger.
Oh no.
Oh no.
No
They're
more.
coming because no more food. You want to eat my finger? Here you go. They don't want because it's finger. He's so big. Oh, the black one. Yummy, 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 yummy.
No, you cannot.
Oh, oh, iniluluto ko.
Parang ganyan, no?
Iniluluto.
Maybe the fish will bite your hand.
And so very deeply inside the water here in the river.
Is it the river in it?
This is a river,
Fun.
a pond.
Fish fun.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye fish.
Did you go or not fly?
Ito lang.
Let's go.
Wow! Ano? Ihaw na natin yan? Ihaw na natin. Bye-bye, guys! Kami pupunta na dun sa ulilit. Lalim nito.